will talk about how can you disable sound control on your Pocket Option app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so you just go here above your photo profile, click on it, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you just click here on settings, here click on it. When you click here on settings, when you just click on settings, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on sound control, just click on it. When you click on sound control, you come here to sound control. Here just click in this sign or this color, like you see color, it's gone. That means sound control disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.